Hey guys, welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. I'm Aaron Higgins, and today we're talking Viking steak. And I got this big bone-in New York sirloin. This came from Charles Oak Farms, and as you can see, we got our nice New York strip here, and we've got our tenderloin over on the other side. And I am absolutely starving. I have been saving room all day for this steak because this right here, for warriors only. Let's get this seasoned, let's get it on the grill. Okay guys, to season this steak, we're gonna use the Cattleman's Smokehouse barbecue rub, and this rub is great on beef. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna give this a really good dose. This is a big steak, this can take some rub. Just give it a pat, get it to stick. Flip it over, give it the same treatment. Now that we got the steak seasoned, we're gonna go fire up the grill. Stick around. Okay guys, so for this steak, we wanna get a nice hot fire going. That's why I'm using 2 chimneys of this B&B lump charcoal. And to light these, we're just gonna get a couple wax cubes going. Let's get these chimneys on. Go to work. So once your coals are nice and hot, get them right down in the grill. We'll put our grill grates back. And to cook this steak, we're gonna use these aluminum grill grates here. They come in 2 pieces. You can add more to them if you want. This is just what I have right now. But they're made by a company called Grill Grates for any grill. And these are gonna heat really, really evenly, which is really good for cooking a steak, and it's also gonna leave us some great sear marks. Put that on there, get it closed, let it get hot. Okay, so our grill's nice and hot. What I want to do before we get this behemoth on there is hit this with some cooking spray so it doesn't stick. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this bad boy right on the grates. Give it a little bit of a press, get some good contact. That roll for a little bit. Depending on how you want it cooked, you could go anywhere between 2 and 4 minutes a side. I'm gonna cook this right around medium, straight across the board. If you wanna go a little bit more rare, leave it on less time. If you wanna kill it, leave it on for longer. Okay, so it's been just about 3 minutes. What I wanna do now is I wanna rotate this bad boy. Easier said than done. Rolling. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give this bad boy a flip. Got some good char going on that bone. Keep in mind that's the bone that you see blackened right there. That's not our meat. Our good stuff's in here. And that's going to be awesome. Get it closed. Let it keep going. Okay, let's give it a rotate. Let it roll for a few more minutes and then we should be good. Okay guys, this bad boy's looking pretty good to me. Let's pull it off and get it rested. Okay guys, so we've been letting this big bone-in New York sirloin rest. Now that it's done cooking, we let it rest for about 15 minutes. And that's plenty of time for this. And I'm gonna dive right into this bad boy here. I can't wait. This is smelling really, really good. But before I do, let's go over how we did this. This is a real easy one. So we had a big bone-in New York sirloin, which has the New York strip steak right here and the tenderloin on the other side of the bone. And what we did was we gave it a really good dose on both sides with the Cattleman's Smokehouse rub. It's gonna give it some really good flavor. And after that, what we did was we let it hang out for a little bit, let it draw some moisture out of the meat, and we got our pit fired up. And all we did was we lit 2 chimneys of B&B lump charcoal, got them going once the coals were nice and hot, we got them right into the pit, and then we replaced our grill grates and we set down our grill grates for any grill, which heats really, really evenly. It's perfect for cooking steak like this. So when you set it on the grill, you let it go for a couple minutes, rotate it, let it go for a couple minutes more, depending on the level of doneness that you'd like to see on this meat, and then flip it and give it the same treatment. And then afterwards, you just pull it off and let it rest for about 15 minutes so it stays nice and juicy. Without further ado, I'm going right in. I'm gonna go right into this this strip right here. See what we're working with. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Woo, woo, woo. I'm really excited for this. That right there's medium. Warm pink center. Can't wait to give this a shot. Oh, this rub is great. Absolutely awesome. Incredible flavor. You got the anchovy chili peppers. This is a beef home run. Now that is a steak fit for a Viking. Holy smokes, this is really good. I'm going back in. I'll cut off another little piece right here. This is cutting really nice too, guys. Juicy. Tender, it has some great char flavor. Man, you know what I need? What's a great Viking steak without a Viking horn full of ale here? Hey everybody, skull. This is good. Go back in. Go back in. Oh wow, look at this. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to destroy this. Steak, steak, steak. I tell ya, Charles Oak Farm in Sherburne, Mass. They give you some really, really good beef. I can't go wrong with something like this. Great way to spend a Sunday afternoon in March. Wow. I can't stop. I can't stop. I've been waiting all day for this. I had 1 cup of coffee all day. That's all I had. I just knew this was coming. That is just awesome. Hey guys, look, if you like what we're doing here, and you like seeing these recipes and videos come out, give us a subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. We're gonna be putting out videos and new content like this all year long. We're having a lot of fun doing it. Give us your feedback. Leave your feedback in the comments section. Make sure to check it out. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time.